On your marks, get set, go!
In today's competitive job market, employers are seeking highly skilled professionals who can lead projects from initiation to closure effectively. However, many individuals lack the comprehensive training needed to meet these demands. Our Project Manager Level 5 course is a comprehensive program that covers all aspects of project management. From initiating a project to managing its closeout process, we provide you with the essential tools to succeed. Initiating a project to address specific objectives, plan and prepare the delivery of a project, execute and control the delivery of a project management plan, manage the project closeout process. At BConsult, we understand that every learner is unique. That's why our courses offer flexibility, allowing you to learn in your own pace and in your own schedule. Through engaging online modules and interactive exercise, you will receive individualized attention needed to thrive. Rest assured, our program is accredited by the Quality Council for Trade and Occupations, ensuring that you receive a certification recognized globally. Ready to unlock the potential as a project manager. Enroll in our Level 5 course with 240 credits today and take the first steps toward a successful career in project management. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join us at BConsult and turn your aspirations into achievements.